So in today's video, well, welcome to Hanoi. I'm actually going to head down to St. Joseph Cathedral, which is a very old cathedral here in Hanoi. And we're going to go check that out. I'm just waiting for a Grab pickup driver. And this is currently where I'm at. You can see all the activity. And it's very busy at this time of the day. It's not even 10 a.m. in the morning. But again, thank you very much for following along, and let's get going on this little adventure. Grab app, very easy to use, and heading over. This is kind of my little drive here. Heading in. This is the normal traffic routine. So welcome, I finally arrived here. This is the St. Joseph Cathedral here in Hanoi, Vietnam, and it's a real historical church, Catholic church. And you're gonna go there and take a look around. Absolutely beautiful. So I'm gonna kind of do like a little bit of a tour on the outside and see if I can go on the inside. So, but check this out. This is right there in the very front. Here's some of the surrounding streets, and you can tell by the old architecture around here on the age of this area, and it's very, very historical at that. So we go around the side. This is the side gate is open, and here is the sign. These are the mass times. St. Joseph Cathedral of Hanoi. It's kind of a little bit of a picture. This is the outside of it. On the this would be on the south side. Continue my way around the church. the north side. Go inside and view this beautiful church. So here's a little bit of the history of this St. Joseph Cathedral, so let's check it out. So the St. Joseph Cathedral of Hanoi was built during the time of Bishop Huguenot of Hanoi between 1835 and 1892. This goes on to describe the rest. This is the outside. So this is some of the surrounding areas right here by St. Joseph's Cathedral, and you can see it right there in the background. And it's loaded up with all types of little coffee shops and restaurants. please consider hitting the like button. It really does help out my channel. And consider subscribing. I go on a lot of adventures, and today is the St. Joseph Cathedral, and it's been really cool so far. Just kind of the outside area, kind of right around the vicinity of the church. And this is located in the old quarter. So if you want to know what some of these alleyways look like here in Hanoi, this is what they look like. They're very tight. And they're just a lot of little coffee shops, tiny little restaurants, and very authentic. I mean, you can see the chairs. Very easy places to eat. So you come out back to the main street and make a right and head back to the cathedral. So I just stopped at this little cafe here right outside the cathedral, and I'm gonna have that, what do you call, the egg coffee. So I picked up this Cafe Plum here in Hanoi, Vietnam, which is a egg coffee, and it's very good. You can see how whipped it is. And I'm right down here in the old quarter, and I just left St. Joseph Cathedral, which is a very historical cathedral here in Hanoi, and so I was really honored to actually go there and visit during Holy Week. But this is the scene of where I'm at the old quarter at this cafe. And this is kind of a common scene almost all over the streets, wherever you go. Checking the app, and there he is. This is my ride.